So this is the Shorty antenna right here. And if you look, I'm trying to get away from the glare of the sun, but if you look at this, it's the Shorty antenna here. Compared to the stock one, it's way shorter. Hello fellow Mustang owner, this is Sheldon, your 518 traveler, coming to you from beautiful Ballston Spa, New York, which is just a stone's throw northwest from the capital city of Albany. And I want to thank you for checking out my channel and for watching this vlog. In today's vlog, Sexy Red gets nice and clean and gets a new Shorty antenna. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, so today Tara is out. She's out with her, over at her mother's house. She's out with her sisters, doing some stuff over there. So today I decided is a Sexy Red day. Finally. So I'm going to wash Sexy Red. I'm going to vacuum it out. And I think I'm going to change the Shorty antenna and start looking at that front GT lip that I got that I definitely want to change out. I don't know I'm going to get to it today. It depends on how much work that is, but that's definitely on the agenda coming up soon. Also, I'm going to buy new side splitters for it. I talked to the wife about being able to get those this summer, so I'm going to go ahead and order those soon. And I want to be putting those on probably within the next couple of weeks. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and wash Sexy Red, and we'll go from there. And I'll get back to you. So I tend to use Armor All stuff on Sexy Red or any of the cars I have. I like this bucket. This isn't the first one I've gotten, and these actually make really nice Christmas gifts or birthday gifts. They got all sorts of stuff in here: wheel and tire, wash and wax, almost out of that one, glass cleaner, more glass wipes, interior detailer, protectant, more protectant. I bought these as well. More glass wipes cleaning and protectant. And I bought some more Ultra Shine wash and wax. And I used the tire foam on my cars because the nice thing about the tire foams is you don't have to wipe them. You just let it sit until they dry. So these actually work pretty well on the cars. And like I said, they're great Christmas gifts. That's a gift pack. This is either the third or fourth one I've gotten because my family overall knows that I love my cars. So I usually get these.
You said never let me go. 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 You said never let me go.
Doing the windows. Wiping up the inside of the car, it really needs it. Unfortunately, I've been so busy with all the moves and everything else I've been doing. My son's graduation party yesterday that we had to put off until we closed on the house, which closed a couple of weeks late because of some stuff that had to be done that was found on the inspection, on and on. So wasn't able to spend a lot of time on the Mustang. But today is a day I told my wife flat out, it's car day. Working on Sexy Red. Bringing sexy back. Bringing sexy back for sure. I love that 5.0 liter Coyote V8. This is a 2012 Mustang with the Coyote. 2011 GTs were the first ones with the Coyotes in them, and they are quickly becoming legendary for power, performance, speed, and there have been 3 generations of the Coyote, and this is part of the first generation because it's the second year for the Coyotes. So I got lucky with these motors, and Mustang is certainly at the forefront as far as performance goes. Matter of fact, recently I saw, maybe 3-4 months ago, I saw that Mustang actually broke the record for the quarter mile in a Mustang. They hold that record. So until that's broken by an electric vehicle, which probably going to happen, Mustang holds that record. Not Chevy, not Dodge, any of those. Mustang holds that record. Unless it's changed, unless somebody's broke it since I last saw it, Mustang holds that quarter mile record. That's it. So I love my Mustang. This is my this is my 4th. Totally love it. I had a convertible before. I'd love to get a convertible as a second Mustang, and I've been working on it with the wife, and as of right now, she's not budging. But if I got an automatic, she'd be able to drive it. That's the point here. So anyways, cleaning out the inside of Sexy Red. So today, so far, for Sexy Red, I've washed it, waxed it, dried it, cleaned the windows, took it over to the car wash. There's actually free vacuum cleaners. I always carry a $10 roll of quarters because vacuum cleaners get a little expensive. But I didn't have to use it because since we moved to Boston Spa, there's a Hoffman's car wash about 3 miles from here, 3.5 miles from here, that has free vacuum cleaners, which was cool. It had the 2 kinds. It had the wide ends for the rug, and then it had the really thin, skinny one that you could get between the seats and into hard-to-reach places. So I vacuumed the car out really, really well. And now, the other thing I'm going to do today is I got a Shorty antenna from American Muscle, and it really overall just looks so much better. I'm going to go ahead and change that out. So this is the Shorty antenna right here. And if you look at trying to get away from the glare of the sun, but if you look at this, it's the Shorty antenna here compared to the stock one. It's way shorter. And so from what I've seen, it's pretty easy to change these out. It's just a matter of unscrewing this old one off and just screwing that one on. So I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Get out of the glare again. So I'm going to go get that off. Let's see. Yeah, looks like the same bottom as the Shorty antenna. I'll put that over there off to the side. So let's give it a shot. Hey, much better, way shorter. It doesn't show up so much either. Thank you, sir. So yeah, I think aesthetically it's much better. I don't know about the performance. I guess I'll find out when I use it, but it's an antenna, so I would hope that it's made for the Mustang, so I would hope performance-wise it's fine with the radio stations around here. Only time will tell. So there you have it. New Shorty antenna. on Sexy Red. And there's Sexy Red, nice and clean. Like I said, washed and waxed, armor oiled, vacuumed, rinsed out the inside, tire foam. New Shorty antenna I put on today. There she is. I love it when she's nice and clean. Mustang, there is no substitute. This is my next project. Put a new front lip on there. That's a GT 350 front hood right there. That's going right on the front of Sexy Red. Cervini's. My kids bought me that as a Christmas gift. Right from Cervini's. Can't wait to put that chin spoiler on there. That's for another day and another video. Until then. Until next time.
This one's yelling. Look at it. Oh, it stops. What the heck? Aren't you?